So now when I'm putting 5 in a row, that means that the size of row equal to 5. So it provides 5 lines of space to me in horizontally, right? And when I'm putting 10 here, it provides a 10 line of space in a column wise for my text area. Okay, when I'm using a attribute that is wrap, here these are the attributes of text area. So now when I'm using wrap here, it means it not displays, it not provides any lines in the text area. It just provides a space, or it gives a space for a comment section. So it takes so much text or large text in between the text area. Clear? Now come to the select medium. Here actually this is showing here having some options, but actually what how it is looks like, just it is looks like a Hindi and a one drop down is here. Clear? Actually this is called the list box. What is this? List box means this box contains a list of selected items, okay, selected options. Okay, you can select within that only. You can't give any number or any name or any text within that. We just select by using the drop down. When you click on the drop down, it shows there are so many options, whatever it mean in between that, and you have to select just only one. Clear? For that there is, we are in this we are not using the input tag. Here we are using option, that is, just I'm writing here uh, select medium. Okay, and then one tag is there, that is option. Okay, option tag is used for the list, and just you have to put the value here. When I'm putting value Hindi, it take the value in the background just, but you have to provide Hindi again here for displaying. Okay, same again I'm writing here English, so for that I'm putting option value equal to English, and you have to put the English here. Okay, and the same for the Telugu, option value equal to Telugu. Okay, so just remember option is the tag and values are the attribute used for the list box only. Here there is no any mention of the list. Clear? Now come to the next and the last one, that is the submit and reset. Okay, simply these are the buttons. Here we are again using the same input tag, that is input type equal to, just I am writing here submit, or you can write the button also, no any issue. In the submit you can use the button. Okay, here I am using another, afterwards I am writing another attribute of input. Just remember that is the value. This is I am using first time within this. Why? See here students, in this we are not putting any value. That means the column is vacant. No any value is there, right? But here in the text box, in the small button, we are writing a submit here. Okay. So the attribute value is used for putting the value inside the box. If I am written here also, writing here also value equal to something, value equal to ABC, you are getting a value in the text box also, that is ABC, but we didn't want that, right? So but in button case we have to write, because we want to show the button name, that is submit. Clear? On the same way for the reset also, input type equal to button I can use. Okay, and the value equal to reset. Understand? So these are all about the buttons and controls, and we can say the